Data and information. While using a computer system, we give instructions by pressing a key or touching the screen. These instructions comprise the input data given to a computer. The computer receives such data, processes it, and gives the output. Anything that is input into a computer is considered to be data. Any of these may be input as data into the computer: text, pictures, songs, videos, documents, and so on. This data or raw data is in the form of facts, concepts, instructions, etc. Most of the data is input in the form of instructions from the keyboard. Raw data or unprocessed information is in the form of text, in English letters or in numerals or some special characters like @ hash, etc. Computer also accepts data in the form of images and videos, and it can read data from a file too. We can classify data into three types, namely structured data, unstructured data, and semi-structured data. Let's look at the structured data first. Structured data is organized data which is in a fixed pattern and is easy to understand. Structured data is stored in a data file in a pre-specified tabular format. It can be stored either in ascending or in descending order. Let us look at the statement of a credit card, which is an example of structured data. The table given here contains list of transactions in the ascending order of date and time. Now let's look at unstructured data. Unstructured data is not organized in a fixed pattern. For example, unstructured data is a combination of text, audio, and video files. Let's look at the semi-structured data. Semi-structured data also is not organized in a fixed pattern, but data elements are separated by different markings or tags. The examples are email documents, HTML pages, and comma-separated value files. Now let's see what processing of data is all about. Data processing involves data capturing, data storage, and data retrieval. Let's first look at data capturing. Data capturing involves collecting data from different sources in digital format. Data can be input from a keyboard or captured from a barcode reader or sensor. Once the data is captured, it needs to be stored appropriately for future use. We use solid-state drive, hard disk drive, CD, DVD, pen drive, and so on to store data. If the amount of data is very large, then we use a dedicated computer with larger and faster storage, which is known as a data server. This computer is called data server. Let's now try to understand data retrieval. The computer fetches data from storage devices for processing. Nowadays, everything is stored in the computer. If the storage device malfunctions or crashes down, data stored in it will get deleted. Also, data can be deleted accidentally by user or intentionally by a hacker or malware. When data is deleted, details of the data are changed at bit level. When data is deleted, its address entry is marked as free, and then the space is shown empty. But this data does not get deleted permanently. If this data gets accidentally deleted or corrupted, then we need to recover. Retrieving deleted, corrupted, or lost data from secondary storage device is called data recovery. We can do this recovery if deleted memory space is not overwritten by some other data. We should secure our data from unauthorized persons or software to ensure our data is not lost. This can only be possible by securing our computer system by limiting access, using passwords to accounts and files, and encrypting files. Along with this, our data should be protected from unwanted recovery by unauthorized users or software. This can be done by proper deletion of the data before disposing of any old or faulty storage device to ensure data is not recovered by any unauthorized person. This concern can be mitigated by using proper tools to delete or shed data before disposal of any device. The data stored securely make our data safe and usable in future. This makes our life easier. Here is what we have learned.